The 0928-29 is the ultimate combo kit for those who demand extreme power, superior performance and the longest-running cordless tools. Features include the revolutionary 28-volt lithium-ion battery pack exclusively from Milwaukee. The battery pack weighs less than an 18-volt pack yet delivers 2 times the runtime, making this ideal for all cutting, drilling and driving needs. The 0724 28-volt 1/2-inch hammer drill uses the Milwaukee-built high-power motor to develop an enormous 600 inch-pounds of maximum torque in 0 to 600 over 0 to 1,800 revolutions per minute. The 0724 comes standard with a 1/2-inch all-metal single-sleeve ratcheting chuck with all carbide jaws that keeps bits from falling out and drill bits from slipping. A comfortable non-slip soft grip handle reduces vibration and fatigue. The 0724 also comes standard with the patented Clip-Lok system that attaches securely to the operator's belt or tool bags and easily releases with one hand, ideal when working from a ladder or when there is nowhere to place the tool when adjusting or positioning a workpiece. Clip-Lok system keeps the drill within arm's length at all times and also features an onboard bit holder which holds up to 2 standard Phillips bits. The 0719 28-volt Sawzall Reciprocating Saw produces an amazing 2 times the runtime of 18 volts reciprocating saws. The variable speed trigger provides 2 levels of speed range, 0 to 2000 and 0 to 3000 strokes per minute. The 0719 also features a 1 1/8-inch stroke length Quik-Lok blade clamp, patented gear protecting clutch and keyless shoe adjustment. The 0730 6.5-inch circular saw has the most power of any cordless circular saw, enough to cut over 302x FAs on a single charge. The 0730 has a left side blade for increased cut line visibility at 4,200 revolutions per minute for extremely fast cutting, 50-degree bevel capacity and all metal blade guards. The 49240185 work light features a high-intensity xenon bulb that is Clip-Lok system compatible and delivers over 5 hours of runtime on a single battery. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The product is easy to use. Number 2. The product is durable. Number 3. The product is manufactured in China. Number 4. 28-volt lithium cordless 4-tool combo kit. Number 5. Reciprocating saw hammer drill, circular saw, work light, 1-hour charger. Number 6. Rugged plastic bodies, cushioned anti-slip soft grips, canvas carrying bag. Number 7. Includes no. 2 Phillips bit, 2 reciprocating saw blades, circular saw blade, rip fence, bag. Number 8. Total weight 35.4 pounds, 5-year warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.